one thing to understand is that anxiety is a combination of fear and uncertainty. It's also a feeling of massive disconnection. It's like you feel untethered from the world. So, what do we need? We need connection. We need to support them with connection. And we can do it in two ways. First is just actively listening to them with the intention of them feeling cared about and understood. With that alone, they're going to be able to get some of the air of the anxiety out and feel a sense of connection, what's going to turn the volume down on their anxiety. Now, the second thing is if you do feel close to somebody and it's appropriate for you to hold their hand or touch their shoulders or give them a hug, we know that physical connection actually turns the volume down on the part of the brain that is activating that anxiety, that stress response. Or the closer you feel to this person, the more powerful that response will be for them in turning the volume down on their anxiety. So that's two things. They both involve connection. One is active listening to help them feel cared about and understood. The second is physical touch, if it's appropriate, with holding their hands on the shoulder, or giving them a hug. This will turn down their anxious response.